What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off the adaptive triggers on PlayStation 5 for Battlefield 6, and I'll also explain what you can do on PC. So I'm on PS5 right now, and when I loaded into the game, the adaptive triggers were automatically turned on. They were set pretty high too, and it makes your gun jump a lot when you fire. If you don't like that feeling, here's how to shut it off. First, open settings, scroll down to controller, then choose edit settings in the bottom right. Now scroll down again and open controller tuning. Here, look for adaptive trigger weapon firing. Just take the slider and pull it all the way to the left. That disables the in-game adaptive triggers effect. You can also turn off controller vibration in this same menu if you want everything completely off. But let's say you turn it off in the game and the trigger still feels stiff. If that happens, press the PlayStation button, go over to your controller settings and open trigger effects or vibration intensity. Mine was set to standard strong, so I switched it to off, and right away the adaptive trigger tension disappeared. Huge difference. Now for PC players, since I'm on PS5, I looked this up. A lot of people say that on Steam, you need to use Steam input and set the controller type to Xbox. Doing that usually disables adaptive triggers. If that doesn't work, open the Steam input controller settings and manually turn off haptic trigger effects. Hopefully that helps both PS5 and PC players to turn this feature off. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.